Good day, everyone. This is grade 12 from mathematics paper 1, application of calculus. Right. Question 10. A cyclist, rode from town P and stopped at town T. The speed in kilometer per hour at which this cyclist rode is represented by the equation derivative of speed. It is equal to negative 3t squared plus 18. Note, speed is the rate of change in distance with respect to time, right? 10.1. Calculate the maximum speed that the cyclist reach on this ride. Therefore, now remember the word maximum on parabola, right? Remember, this is in parabola form. The word maximum in parabola, it means the turning point, right? Therefore, now to find the x value of a turning of a parabola, we can say x is equal to negative b over 2a, right? But now because you're in grade 12, you have to derivate, right? You have to derivate. Therefore, now we can derivate 3t squared plus 18t, right? Which is gonna give us minus 6t, right? Plus 18, and then we solve for t. Therefore, now we're gonna have minus 6t is equal to minus 18. Therefore, now our t is equal to 3. Right? Even if you have used this, it's gonna give you still you are going to get t as 3, because now it will be equal to negative b, it is minus 18, and then 2a, it is 2 minus 3, right, which is equal to 3. Therefore, now the maximum speed that the cyclist reach on this ride, it is equal to what? Time is 3, negative 3 t, oh no, 3, sorry, negative 3 squared plus 18, 3, which is equal to 27. Very good. Therefore, now 10.2. 10.2. Calculate the distance between town P and town T. Right. Therefore, now we have to first find the time, right? So for us to find the time, we can say minus 3t squared plus 18t is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, now we can factorize. We can say minus 3t, right? T minus 6 is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, now t is equal to 0, right? Or t is equal to 6. Very good. Therefore, now this is the derivative equation, right? But the standard one, the cubic one, right? St will be equal to what? At to the power 3. This is the cubic one, plus bt to the power 2. Right? And therefore, now if we derivate this standard cubic equation, we derivate this, it is going to give us 3at squared, right, plus 2bt. Right? For us to solve a and b, we can say 3a, it is equal to what? This minus 3. 3a is equal to this minus 3. Remember, this is at squared plus bt, right? Therefore, now our 3a is equal to what? Minus 3. Therefore, now our a is equal to minus 1. We can say 2b, it is equal to this b, which is minus which is 18, right? 18. Therefore, now our b, it is equal to 9. Very good. Therefore we can say our st, our s speed with respect to time, it is equal to what? Negative 1. We are back onto this equation now. Negative 1, which is a, and then our t, it is 6, right? Because now time cannot be 0. Our t, it is 6. Good. Plus 9, which is our b, and then our t, it is still 6 squared. This is the power 3, right? And then now our s with respect to 6 is equal to 108. So then firstly, you have to find time, right? You find time for this cyclist to move from town P to town T. right? Therefore, now after finding that, you have to find the value of a and the value of b using the formal or the original cubic graph of s with respect to t. Right? Therefore, now you equate with your a and you equate with your b to find. This will help you to find the a and b. After finding a and b, therefore now you can go because you can go and find the distance between town P and T, because now you already have time. You just substitute the time onto this original equation of cubic. Therefore, now question 9. So then now question 9, they're saying the diagram below represent a pretend poster. A rectangle ABCD is the part on which the next is printed. The area, the shaded area ABCD, it is equal to 432 centimeters squared, and AD is equal to X. ABCD is 4 centimeters from the left and the right edge of the page, and 3 centimeters from the top and bottom, right? Therefore, now if we were to draw this rectangle more clearly, therefore now we were going to have our A, our B, our B, our B, sorry, yeah, our B, our C, and our D. All right. Therefore, now we are told that AD it is X. Right. We are told that AD it is X. It is X. Therefore, now remember the area, and we are told that the area of ABCD it is 432 centimeters squared. The area of a rectangle is a length times breadth. Right? Our length it is X. Therefore, now the breadth, in other words, the breadth it is area over length, right? Because now we can divide this L and divide this L to find the breadth. Breadth it is area 432 over what? Over X. Therefore, now this is 400. This is 432 over what? Over X. This is our breadth. Therefore, now from here to here, it is X plus 8. Right? It is this X plus the distance from here to here, which is 4 and 4. Right? Therefore, now from this point to this point, right? From this point to this point, yeah, we can say it is what? It is the breadth, right? It is 432 over X plus the 6, the distance, this distance plus this 6. Remember we've said that AB it is 432 over X. Therefore now it is 432 over X plus 6. This is the length for this part. All right. Therefore now we can say the area, which is 432, it is equal to X, right, multiplied by breadth. Okay. Therefore, our breadth it is equal to what? 432 over X. Right. Therefore, now our area, right, with respect to X is equal to what? Our X plus 8, right, multiplied by our breadth, which is what? 432 over X plus 6. Good. Therefore, now if you multiply this out, right, therefore now you will end up with 432 plus 6x plus 3456 over x plus 408. And then now if you simplify it or solve it, therefore now your area will be equal to what? To 3,456 over x plus 6x plus 480, which is that one, right? So then now you have to find your length, which is x plus 8, your breadth, which is 432 over x plus 6. Right? I hope you have understood this question. Therefore now 9.2. Determine the value of x such that the total area of the page is a minimum. Remember, minimum or maximum, we derivate. If we were to find the value of x, we were going to say it is the turning point. X is equal to negative b over 2a, but now we are in grade 12, we have to derivate, right? Therefore, now if we derivate our a with respect to x, we can first write it in a simpler way, x to the power minus 1, right, due to the loss of exponent, plus 6x plus 480. Therefore, now if we derivate this, we will end up with negative, right? This negative 1 will multiply the 1 this side. Therefore, now this negative 3, 4, 5, 6 over what? Over x squared, because this is minus 1 also. And therefore, now plus 6, because now the x will fall away. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. All right, therefore, now to find the value of x, we're going to say it is equal to 0. Therefore, now 3 minus 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 6x squared, right? Because now we can transpose this 6 to the other side, which is going to be minus 6. Therefore, now we cross multiply, right? We will end up with minus 3,456, which is equal to minus 6x squared, whereby we can divide by 6, right? If we divide by 6 both sides, therefore now x, if you put this on a calculator, negative 6, so your x will be equal to what? To the root of 576, which is 24 centimeter. I hope you have understood this type of question, because now if they said minimum or maximum, you have to derivate. Right? You derivate and then you find your value of x. Therefore now, such the total area of a page is a minimum. Thank you for watching. If you want fully detailed session on any type or any chapter or any topic in mathematics, life science, and physical science, I'm here for you. Don't hesitate to WhatsApp or contact the number on the description below. Thank you for watching.